Welcome back, my name's Claire. I'm continuing my theme of trying to work out how to do a twist in a Dutch pour. So blowing the paint out in two different directions to create what looks like a twist in a ribbon right in the centre. So I'm going to do it this time. I'm going to do rainbow colours, but on a split base. I'm not sure I've ever done that. I'm going to have a half the canvas dark, half the canvas pale, and then rainbow colours in the centre. So hopefully nice and bright and bold, hopefully with the twist. I'm using a 50cm square canvas. I've got two colours here for the base. I've got Payne's Grey by Pebeo. Very, very dark, so I've added just a hint of white to it. And so it's this kind of really dark bluey grey colour. So that's for one half, and then the other half I've got Montmartre white, but I just added just a little tiny bit of red to create a really nice pale pink, because I think those two colours will actually look really pretty together. The Dutch Pour is Dutch Pour consistency paint, so I'll put the recipe in the description for you if you want to know how I've mixed this. I'm just checking the consistency again. Yep. So let's think how I'm going to do this. So I normally do very symmetrical patterns. I'm thinking about not. So thinking about having the layering of the paint starting up in one corner and then coming off over here. In which case I want to do that sort of shape with one of the colours. Let me just draw it on. I always quite like to sketch things on first, just so. Oh, I picked up yellow. I thought that would be a normal pen, but it's not. Right, you might not be able to see that, but I've got one big section here of one colour and then a smaller section there. So then if I blow with my hairdryer from there out this way and then out that way, what do you think? Let's try it. So let's have the small section as the pink. Right, that's my base down. Now I'm looking at this thinking, should I be doing really nice, pretty, classy colours? Because actually that looks really pretty. But I think, no, I think the temptation to do a rainbow is just too strong. So it's not going to be a full rainbow. I've got some pink quinacridone rose by Amsterdam, De La Rowney purple. I've got some metallic blue, which is De La Rowney graduate acrylic metallic blue, Pebeo iridescent blue green, Pebeo iridescent green yellow, and then Pebeo gold. So what a bright clash of colours to put onto this nice looking base. I think I'm going to put some colours on in a line, but then fan it out a little bit at each end. So the colours are going to be roughly where these two colours meet. There'll be a bit of overlap with the colours, but that's totally fine. And I'll probably do it in a bit of a wave, yeah. Right, that is a lot of colours. So there's a real chance that as I blow these out, they're going to really muddy. So I think what I'm going to do is this way first, and then when I do the other corner, it will be down that way, just to try and get that twist. So you might have realised when I blew this out, I didn't say anything. And that's always a sign that I'm not sure about something or I don't like something. If I talk, it's because I'm happy. If I don't talk, it's because I'm worried. Now I'm talking, I'm really happy. It just took some extra blowing around. There's definitely a bit of muddying where you can see the dark Payne's grey is mixed here, but it creates a really nice dark contrast there. One of my favourite sections is this. So the pink has kind of sunk into that black to create a really pretty effect. Really sparkly, lots of beautiful little cells. The pale pink has really popped up, especially over here. So I've got some wonderful cells where the colours have sunk into that pale pink. I wasn't happy initially because I kind of had a wave here and a wave here, so I didn't think it worked, but I've blown around there just to soften the edges there. The colours are just beautiful. So you've got the really classy colours, but then with this splash in the middle, it's not a perfect twist. I still need to work on this twist, but it's a twist enough, I think. So actually, at first of all, not happy at all, but with a bit of extra work and extra blowing around, really happy with it. There's a lot of negative space, which is really unusual for me. I don't normally like negative space, and there's a lot here, but I think it works. And interestingly, look, I've ended up with quite a symmetrical design. I think I'm just drawn to symmetry, drawn to patterns within the fluid art. So I'll be back when it's dry. So the painting's now dry. I love it. I'm so happy. I've got my twist. There's definitely a twist there in the centre. There's definitely an illusion of some frills that are sort of twisting that way and then this way. The thing I think I like the most are the colours. So this Payne's grey is just so solid. And then you've got the pale pink. I just think they work beautifully. And then with this rainbow in the centre. I love that dark pink line, bright pink line there. And I love that solid turquoise line there. So it kind of defines it a little bit. The cells are beautiful. The cells are literally just the pink that has popped up through the other colours. I think that's, any cells that are on here, that's what's happened. Yeah, it's just the pink really that's popping up through. And the same down here. Really happy with the colour scheme. If you look at the edges, yeah, it just floats over the edges really beautifully. So really happy with the composition, with the colours. Yeah, really pleased with it. Thank you so much for watching. Again, let me know if you agree. Does it look like there's a twist to it? Yeah, let me know what you think. Any comments are always welcome. Great, thanks for watching. Bye.